Saving a Word document. Open your Word document. Click on Blank Document. Type any sentence as per your choice. Here's an example. After typing your text, click on File tab from upper left-hand corner. Click on Save or Save As. You can choose your save location as recent or on cloud, such as OneDrive. An Outlook account is needed, or this PC, or add another save location, or choose Browse to save in your preferred location in your computer. Let's save on desktop. Click on Desktop from left-hand side. You may rename the document by highlighting it, or leave as per Word automatic naming option. You may customize the author and tag credentials as per your choice. Then click on Save button. That's it, your file has been saved successfully. But, let's check if it is saved on the computer desktop. Here is your saved Word file under the exact name you saved. Double-click and open the file to check your typed content. That's it.